Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets for marketing service sector. Suppose I'm running a marketing agency and I want other businesses to add in my portfolio. For that, I'm running an ad in my Facebook page and I'm getting a lot of leads through that. I want these lead details to add in my Google Sheets automatically. For that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I will use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I will use Google Sheet. So whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, it will work as a trigger event and a new row will be added automatically in my Google Sheet, which will work as an action event for me. How am I going to do that? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my screen, and today we have my Facebook page and my Google Sheet, and we need to create an integration between these two so that whenever I get a new lead, it should add a row automatically in my Google Sheet. So this is my Facebook page and I'm running a marketing agency and my page is called Market Ease. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post an ad in my Facebook page and I'm gonna generate a lot of leads through this, and I want all these details of the lead to get automatically added in my Google Sheet. So whenever I get these details in my Google Sheet, I can talk to these people and I can grow my business through that. So I can share my offers with them and tell them about my company or anything. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com, and this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we can see we have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have an account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign up for free and it's going to take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of free tasks every month. If you already have an account, you can just sign in like me, and this will take you to this page where you can see the tools that Pabbly offers to us, like Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, and Pabbly email verification. Here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to click Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly. Here what we are going to do is we are going to create a workflow. Before that, let me tell you what's in our dashboard. So these are all my workflows, and these are the other details related to my workflow, such as task allotted, task consumed, task remaining, and free task consumed. And this is the folder section. You can create new folders from here. Now what we are going to do, we are creating an workflow. For that, I'll click here on the create workflow button. This window will pop up, and here I have to name my workflow. So I'll name it as Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet for marketing agents. Here we have another option of select folder. So I only have one folder, which is home, but if you want to save your workflows on another folders, you can just create new folders in folder section, and you can select folders from here too. Now I'll click on create, and here I will see there are two options: triggers and action. So triggers is the first step that will execute in our workflow, and action just reciprocate that. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So whenever a trigger event will execute in our workflow, action event will happen automatically. Now we will select a trigger application and we will set our trigger. So for trigger application, we are going to use Facebook lead ads. So that I'll just search Facebook lead ads here, click on Facebook lead ads, and here we can see I have to give a trigger event to this. For giving a trigger event, I'll open this and I'll select new lead instant, which will be my trigger event. Whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, it will work as a trigger event for me. So I will connect my Facebook account with this. I'll click here to authorize my connection with Pabbly Connect. I click on add new connection. I connect with Facebook lead ads. I'll click on continue to give permission to my account. I've connected my account successfully. Here I have two options: page and lead gen form. Now before this, let's get back to my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page. It's called Market Ease, and let's go to the all tools first. Let's scroll down and click on instant forms, and here we can see there is only one form, which is Market Ease. I'll preview this next. So these are the contact information, and this is my form. So we only have a form, Market Ease. So we are going to use this, and we are going to map these two details in my Pabbly Connect. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So I'll open this map section and I'll find Market Ease. So we only had one form in my Market Ease page, so it automatically get that. Now here we have select lead gen from here. Please ensure that your lead gen form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. So whenever you create this integration, you should make sure that your lead gen form is live in your Facebook page. Here is another note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to make a sample submission of your lead gen form by clicking on the preview form and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. We are going to make a sample submission to check this, but whenever you will create this integration, you make sure that your form is live and you get the leads directly from the live form. So I'll click on save and send test request button, and here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. For getting this webhook response, we will use Meta for Developer app, through which we will get the sample test for our lead generation form. So I will open the Meta for Developer app. I'll click on my app. I'll click on tools. I'll scroll down and find lead ads RTO debug tool. I click here, and this will take me to this page. Here we have two options, page and form. In page section, we will map the page that we are going to use, which is Market Ease, and we got the form that we are going to use. Now we will preview this form. So this is my form, and we have three details here: email, full name, phone number, and we will fill this details, and we want all these details to add automatically in my Google Sheet. First, we will fill this details. I will put a demo details. So email as demoUser@pabbly.com. Full name will be demo user and random phone number. So before clicking next, let me show you my Google Sheet. I'll go to my Google Sheet. Here we have 3 columns which says full name, phone number and email. What we are going to do is we want these details to get filled automatically in my Google Sheet. Now click on next. I'll click on submit. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see we get some response here. So let's check this. What we got here is email as demoUser@pabbly.com, full name as demoUser, and phone number as 99999. So we get the details that we put in our form, and we have few more details here, which is ID, form ID, created time, field data. So our trigger is completed. Now we are going to set up our action. For that, I'll open this box. I'll search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. I'll open Google Sheets. Same as trigger event, I have to give an action event. I'll open this and I will select add new row, which will be my action event. So whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, their details should get automatically added in a new row. So add new row is my action event. And now I will connect my Google Sheet account with Pabbly Connect. I'll click here on connect. I'll select add new connection. I'll sign in with Google. I'll give permission to my account and I will allow this because Pabbly Connect doesn't share any data with anybody. So it's safe. I have successfully connected my account with Pabbly Connect. Here we see we have a lot of details that we have to map. First, we will select the spreadsheet that we are going to use. Let's go back to my Google Sheet. So my spreadsheet name is marketing campaign lead details. So I'll search for marketing campaign lead details. I'll map this. Here we can see the details have changed accordingly. And here we got full name, phone number, email, which was on my Google Sheet. Now we will map these details with the webhook response that we get in our trigger, so that whenever we get a new response, these details should get automatically exchanged in my Google Sheets and I will get the new data in the real time. I'll click here and I will map the full name. I'll find the full name in my webhook response. I'll click here and similarly phone number, and same like this, I will map the email too. So the mapping is done, and now I will click on save and send test request button. Now we get some data here. To check whether we get these details in my Google Sheets or not, let's get back to my Google Sheet, and here we see we get the details that we filled in our lead gen form. So full name is demo user, phone number is 9999 and email as demoUser@pabbly.com. So let's get back to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see that our workflow is working successfully. So we have created an integration between our Facebook lead ads and our Google Sheet. So whenever a new lead is generating in our Facebook lead ads, their details are getting automatically added in our Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we set up our trigger, then we set up our action. Our trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and our trigger event was new lead instant, and our action application was Google Sheet, and our action event was add new row.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.